Fiona. Fiona, where's your Christmas hat? Where's your hat? Can you put it on? Show us how you put on your hat. Put it on. There you go. Oh, try again. Try again. There, you got it. Looking good. Oops. Try again. It's kind of little for you now. Cute. Does Julia need help?